Welcome to that Vegas Srt4. Today is the day. I know you guys been waiting. Maybe you guys have not been waiting, but I know I've been waiting. Today is the day I dropped the SRT off to my friend to get the big turbo put on. Finally, after gathering all the parts, today is the day. And today I got the list of everything's going to be installed today from my homie, and this video is gonna vlog everything. So today we're going to bring with us cam gears, timing belt and water pump, air conditioner delete kit, oil pressure switch, because I got the light turns on every time I come to a stop, the oil light's on. So I got that, and all these are from Modern Performance. So air conditioner delete kit, oil pressure switch, fuel pump, AM oil gauge, AM turbo gauge, solid motor mounts, fuel pressure regulator, MPS catch can with drain kit, 3-gauge pod, AGP turbo kit, and fuel injectors. So now I got to go in the garage and make sure all of this goes into that. All right, as you can see behind me, I just gathered all the parts that I'm supposed to be, taking to take to my friend to get installed. So let's go through the list and see if I got everything so I won't have to go back. Okay, so we got cam gears. Let's try to find those. Cam gears. Okay, cam gears check. We got that. MPX cam gears. That's number 1 cam gear. We got, set that aside. We got number 2. So that's check. We got those. All right. Next off the list, timing belt and water pump. Timing belt and water pump. Thing that goes on over here. Okay, that's the pile that I got. Timing belt. Okay. We got gates, timing belt, the blue one. So timing belt. Set that aside. And then what did I say? Water pump. Next is water pump. Okay. Got the water pump right there. Water pump, water pump. So that's good. Next, what just happened? Oh man, okay. Air conditioner delete kit. Okay. Next is air conditioner delete kit on the list. This is gonna be the air conditioner delete kit right here. Like I said, all these parts are from Modern Performance. Shout out to them. Okay, so that goes over here. Oil pressure switch. That's a small one, so perfect. Oil pressure switch to turn off that light and that check engine code. So there it is. So if you guys are getting a code, and you know you got oil in it, and the oil light is coming on, I researched. So it's this little switch right here, Modern Performance again. So that's good. Got that. Next is fuel pump. Well, that's easy. That's right here. The dual DCR, 1200 horsepower capabilities right there. So that's that. AM oil gauge. Like this one. Yeah, oil gauge. Brand new. There you go. So that's check right there. And then AM turbo gauge. Right here. This looks like this. I don't even think I even opened this up. Who knew I was gonna get to the point where I don't even gotta open up parts, I just order it. Hard work in school, man, I'm telling you guys. You know, I've been in school for over 10 years. So that one day I can build the car and do what I do. So, education does pay off. All right, so I'm having a hard time with this, but hold on. Okay, yes, the True Boost, AM True Boost, right there. So that's check, got that. Solid motor mounts, right here. Here's one, I think that's a transmission, AGP right there. And then, so I put that in that box. Oh, here's the other ones right here. Right there, but just want to lay my eyes on it just in case. Okay, yeah. All right, here's another one. Solid motor mounts. And then the long one's in here, so the motor mounts is done, so I can set that to the side. Fuel pressure regulator. I think I saw it. Oh yeah, here we go. fuel pressure regulator. All right, there it goes. Set that to the side. MPX catch can and drain kit. Yes, right here. MPX, right here. That's the catch can. That is the drain kit. Right here, that's the hoses. MPX, just in case you guys don't believe me. Know that you, right there. So there's that, MPX, right there, so I can set that aside. Okay. MPX here, okay, 3 gauge pod. Okay. Right here, let's check. 3 gauge pod. I was gonna go for the carbon fiber one, but I'm just about speed. I really don't care. I mean, you can see this carbon fiber hood right here. I mean, it could be glossy and stuff. I don't care, man. It's lightweight. We're just gonna go fast. We save all that pretty stuff for people, other people. But here it is. There it is, 3 gauge pod. So that's gonna be True Boost, oil, air fuel gauge right there. Okay. Fuel injectors right here. So these are the 1200, I believe, fuel injectors. A little sticker right there. Not that I'm gonna put that on because people don't need to know what I got, even though if you tune to the channel, you know what I got, but you know what I mean. So just in case you guys wanna know what that looks like, here's the fuel injectors, brand new, modern performance, right there. These are about 600, I think. Okay. Did he even say the turbo kit in here? Oh, AGP turbo kit. The main thing. God, well, I guess I saved the best for last. All right, so obviously I got that. This is the bulk warner right here. So this is capable of about 600 plus horsepower. I think it was like 650, I think. But we're just gonna go for 600. I'm good with that. Or 590 something, but I really want to see the 600 on that. So that's that. Set that down nice. And then we got the wastegate pipe. They're gonna come out the hood right there. Got all the hoses for the turbo kit here. That's the little rubber piece that goes on the turbo. Got that. This all comes in a kit though, for modern performance. I don't see my wastegate. Ah, yes, wastegate. I guess I should have put these individual parts on, but they're all together though. So this is a Precision turbo wastegate here. I'm gonna let you guys see it real quick. Brochure, whatnot. But I'm sure you guys know what this looks like, but I'm gonna still take it out anyway. So there it is. Precision. Blue spring. Yellow spring. I think that concludes. Hold on, let me see what else is in the picture. So these are the 525s for the 120 PSI. I mean 112 PCI for modern performance. So these 525 injectors are gonna go on here. See that? So I'm gonna have him do that. So that's what that's doing, you know, but I wonder if I could just leave these and then save these for later. We'll see what he says. But I'm most proud of that because I'm not even gonna get near the fuel. I mean, I don't even need all this fuel, but it's better to have more than less. So everybody that I know that's building an engine always says that they could have had more horsepower if the fuel was gonna, if they had enough fuel. So I just overdid it on this one. I'm gonna install these right now. This is for the dyno day. For you guys that don't know, this is a stock motor. So I'm not going for 600 right now. I got a block in my previous video. I gotta show you that I'm gonna build. So what I'm gonna do is install all this, get about 450, 480, something like that in there, and go ahead and go for 6. So I already know, thank you for the shout outs and the pointers, that I cannot put 600 on a stock motor. That's what I'm not doing. But for now, we're going for 480 or something like that and just see what's going on with that. So that's it. All right, so I got all the parts in the car, all safely packed up, and I decided to do something before I drop it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and install my crystal clear third brake light for modern performance. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to see what's up. Oh man, that's so clean. So here it is. So I'm gonna give you guys a shot of the before. Here we go. So you guys can see the after. You guys know right there. So that's what that looks like with the red. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. Which ones do you guys think looks better? The clear or the red? Let me know. Music to my ears. What's up, what's up, what's up? Finally, we made it. Made it to my homie Jonathan's house. Car, one piece. Look at that. One piece. About to show you some other fantastic stuff. Here it is, look. All right, look at that. Got that G8. Tailpipes, look at that. What y'all know? What y'all know about that? Look at that, got the front lip. Looking nice, looking mean. If he started this, I'm telling you, I'm gonna try to get him to cold start this. This thing sounds amazing, watch. And then look, got the other SRT. Look at that. Just for you guys know what's up. That's what we after. And a V8 killer. Got the big meats on the front. Look at that. We ain't done yet. We ain't done. It's the house to be at. I'm telling y'all. Told y'all for a long time. That's where I get my stuff done. Everything. Look at this one. That's his girl's car. Exactly. For all you girls out there trying to race, come holler at us. Look at that. We ain't done yet. Look at that piece. Told you we ain't done. We got a built motor coming in that. Got a nice turbo back there. That's my homie Jonathan underneath the car. Can't even see him because he's always working. Getting that money. All right, finally back at the place. Just drop off the SRT to my homie Jonathan. Shout out to him, I appreciate it. So that part's done. Got the Nissan in the garage now that the SRT is going. Look at that, looking nice in there. I'll stay tuned for videos about that. So I got the downpipes coming. Well, actually the test pipes coming, sorry. And then I'm gonna get the homie Bondo tuning, yes, in LA, California. We're gonna go and tune this. So that's gonna be videos. Gotta have a lot of flame shooting out the back, can't wait for that. And then after I get the SRT back, we're gonna go hit up Mario at MI Tuning here in Vegas. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna see exactly what all these parts are gonna make. You know, I'm shooting for as close to 5 as possible. We'll see what's up though. To the next video.